Hey, welcome back to Mini Bike some more, and today we're going to cover little 3D printing projects. If you're really thinking about getting into 3D printing, it is really cool. That's a little Ender 3 we got for pretty cheap, but I wanted to go over these projects here and kind of go over what things you can make. Simpler things like this 32 forward 41 wheelies ornaments or signs, whatever you want to call them. Super cool, free off of Colts, if I remember right. You got the drag mystery machine. That's like $10 off Colts. Jeep, that's free on Thingiverse. Here's another mini Jeep Thingiverse also. This is I believe a 60s Chevy delivery van lowrider that's on Colts for free. This is one of my favorites. It's the Flying Tiger Bomb. I've resized this. It's, I don't know, close to 2 foot, I believe, but it's got storage inside. Super cool. That is also on Colts. The blower setup, which you can kind of see, that's another one that's on Colts. The spark plug, which can be for decoration or a lamp. I think that's free also. This skeleton or skull with the American flag, that cost me like $3 off of Colts. This Demon Light Box, that's one that I actually, an idea I had, sent it to somebody that designs these things, paid them a fee, and they designed that for me. So that's actually one of my own kind of designs. That will be available on Etsy before long to buy. So if you want to download it on Etsy, it'll be there shortly. I'm just waiting to get confirmed on Etsy, but that's pretty cool. This Mopar sign was supposed to be a light box, but it was, if I remember right, it was on Colts too. You can Google that to make sure, but it was supposed to be a light box, but the bottom layers are way too thick, or it's the wrong color, and no light shine through. So it's just a sign now. There's also the coil over lamp, which isn't finished. A lot of these aren't totally finished, but it's missing the spring right here. But the lights run inside the coil and it lights up. So super cool ideas. You know, there's a million things on there that you can do. Let me show you a few of those. Let me pause this and move over. Okay, so here's an older Taz that fell off my thing and broke, but that's another idea. We got Elmer Fudd, Bugs Bunny, super cool. The little trailer for the Jeep. Marvin the Martian, and the space shuttle. So there's plenty of things that you can do with 3D printing. Like I said, it's fun to get into. I'm thinking about making a video if you first get started into 3D printing, how to put the file in there, resize it, you know, things like that. Just a basic how-to on how to get you started. I'm gonna go across the garage here. Bear with me for just a moment, but we got another one on the printer. It's a 41 Willys Silhouette. You can kind of see it. I kind of like the car thing. I did a review on this Creality K1C. It's been a great printer, but 2 days after I got it, the hot end messed up. So we updated it with a Swiss. Let me go back over here and make sure you guys know what exactly it is. Here it is, a Micro Swiss Flowtech hot end. Definitely made a big improvement, no problem since, but all of them are going to have their own little issues. But like I said, I just want to go back over things you can print, and have any questions or want to see anything, let me know.